Hey guys, and welcome back to How Logical. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to sign up to your Dropbox. Now let us begin. As you can see, initially what you guys have to do is simply go to dropbox.com and hit on enter right now in any browser of your choice. Well, right here, this is the interface of Dropbox, and do note from here you can get the app, sign up, log in and do everything. But for now, we only want to sign up. On the navbar at the rightmost section, you will see something called as sign up. Simply click on it. Then from here, you will be redirected to this page. Do note that you can continue with Google, Apple or simply your email address. The choice is up to you. For now, I'm gonna select Google because I prefer this method. Simply select the Google account. And once everything's okay, hit on confirm. And guys, that is it. Finally, it's gonna show you something like agree and sign up. Click on this button right here to agree to the Dropbox terms and conditions. And guys, that is it. That's how we create a Dropbox account. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.